URLSearchParams silently drops empty values. No error, no warning. Developers waste hours debugging why their empty param vanishes from the URL. Creates a new URL object by parsing the provided string, which includes 3 query parameters: q with an empty value, r with value hello, and s with no assigned value at all, making it a parameter present without an explicit value. Instantiates a URLSearchParams object using the search portion extracted from the previously created URL, thereby converting the raw query string into an iterable map-like structure for efficient parameter access. Requests the first value associated with the key q from the parameter map. Since q exists in the query but has no assigned value beyond being empty, the method returns null to indicate absence of a non-empty value. Checks whether the key s appears anywhere in the parsed query parameters. Even though s has no value assigned, its mere presence in the original URL ensures it registers as existing. Fetches every occurrence of values bound to the key q as a string array. Since q appears once with no assigned content, the result is a single-element array containing an empty string. Retrieves all occurrences of the key s in its value list form. As s exists in the query without a value delimiter, it is treated identically to q in terms of having an empty string associated with it. Use getAll. When empty values matter, get hides them, but getAll reveals the truth. Subscribe for daily coding videos.